It's probably the only one project that we installed in which the supplier said, this is what we're gonna do, this is how long it's gonna take to install, and this is what the result you're gonna get. The performance of the equipment, we installed it, and just like was predicted, Formic came through with every aspect of the project. My name is Joe Santana. I'm the Senior Director of Operations here at Rancho. I'm in charge of production, quality assurance, sanitation, maintenance, shipping, and receiving. In this facility, we run 24 hours a day. We have 3 shifts. At least 70% of our lines will be on 3 shifts this year. We're going to produce around close to 70 million pounds, so it's tremendous growth for us. We have to be competitive. Labor cost continues to escalate. It has not been easy to find the labor. We have not been able to fill all the positions as we would like. That's also been a big factor for us to go in the direction of automation. It is just not to purchase a piece of equipment, and we do not have a lot of expertise in-house. Formic committed to maintain the equipment, to service the equipment, to do all the technical support that is required. So it became really very attractive at that point as well. Formic for us, it's really safety. You know, we do a lot of lifting. We have a lot of manual labor, more than what we would like. But safety is a huge concern of ours. So it becomes something that you must do because, again, you're not waiting for an injury to force your hand. You can actually install it before and avoid it to begin with. And so that's what we've done. As we become more competitive, we are able to install more equipment, able to produce more, transition those jobs to different type of positions. I will describe Formic as a company that will provide good service, good quality equipment. It will work with that company to fit their needs, whatever their needs may be. Yes, I will recommend them.